Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the best Zip Hinge Downspout Hinge available on the market. If you've ever struggled with your downspout extensions getting damaged or detached, this product might just be the perfect solution. The Zip Hinge is designed and made in the USA, built tough from durable aluminum to withstand all kinds of weather. What sets it apart is its clever functionality. It allows you to easily flip your downspout extension up whenever you need to. Whether you're mowing the lawn, landscaping, gardening, or shoveling snow, this hinge makes yard work so much easier and faster. No more smashed or broken downspouts from accidental impacts. Installation is straightforward and perfect for any DIY enthusiast. You won't need any special skills, just a cordless drill and tin snips. The package includes everything you need: screws, a magnetic hex nut setter, optional clasp, and clear printed instructions. Plus, if you prefer, you can watch step-by-step video instructions on the Zip Hinge Amazon storefront. This hinge fits all rectangle or square downspouts and installs with a face mount, measuring roughly 2 inches by 3 inches. It comes in white but can easily be painted to match any gutter color, blending seamlessly with your existing setup. The hinge is secured with zip screws, making it reliable and long-lasting. One major advantage of the Zip Hinge is that it keeps your downspout extension firmly attached, which helps direct water away from your home's foundation. This is crucial to prevent costly repairs caused by water damage and pooling. Plus, it works great with rain barrels, making it an eco-friendly choice for rainwater collection. The Zip Hinge is available in different package quantities from 1 to 6 hinges, so you can order exactly what you need for your project. It comes with a lifetime warranty and a risk-free 30-day return policy, providing peace of mind when purchasing. Overall, this hinge is a smart, cost-effective solution to protect your downspouts, make yard maintenance easier, and ensure proper water drainage. If you want a durable, easy-to-install hinge made right here in the USA, the Zip Hinge Downspout Hinge is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you next time.